looking to open or recover an old NGL account, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll go over the steps to regain access and get back to asking and answering anonymous questions. Step 1. Open the NGL app on your phone or visit the NGL website if you haven't installed the app yet. Once you're on the home page, click on the login button. Now here, enter the email or phone number you just created. Use to create your old NGL account and your password. If you don't remember your password, no worries, just click on password, forgot password, like this. After logging in, you'll be able to access your old NGL account. You can see your previous questions, answers, and all your settings as you left them. If you've forgotten the email or phone number you used for your old NGL account, you can try these methods to recover it. Check your email inbox for any NGL related emails which might have your account details. If you still can't find it, try contacting NGL support directly by using the help or contact us section. And that's it. Now you know how to open or recover an old NGL account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.